Hello friends, today we are going to learn a very simple tool of Excel, that is fill options. By default, whenever we open the Excel, home tab is appear there. On the home tab, if you go right hand side, then there is fill option. Okay, it is very simple option. Let us start. Suppose here I put one value, one simple value, enter, and suppose here I want 1 to 10 values, then select the range, go to the fill, click on fill, click on series, and here only click on OK. Now here you have a 1 to 10 values. Suppose here again we put some value 10. Now we want to increase value by 10, that is 10, 20, 30. In this case also, go to fill, click on fill, click on series, and here change the step value. By default step value is 1. Here give the 10, click on OK. Now you will get the values. As well as suppose you want to autofill the values, it is also possible. Suppose here again I put 1, OK, and suppose I want value 1 to 20 but don't want to select the cell, then click on fill, click on series, and here you can give the stop value. Suppose here I give, suppose instead of 20 there is 15, and you can also select whether you want value row wise or column wise. Here I select row, therefore values are filled horizontally. OK, 1 to 15. OK, and if you choose column, then values are filled vertically. Let us say, click on fill, click on series, and here give the stop value, suppose 12. OK, and choose here column. OK, like this you can easily fill the values. OK, and suppose you want to fill the same values, then just suppose 100, select the range, click on fill, click on series, and just use autofill. OK, automatically values are filled within the given selected range. Same apply for the date. Here use equal to, suppose we want today's date, then type here today function, open close round bracket, press enter. Here is the today's date. Now again select the range. Here you have a different option, then go to fill, click on fill, click on series. OK, here you want date increase by day, weekdays, month or year. Suppose here by default day is selected, click on OK. Now 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let us use the same date, equal to this one. Now let us select the weekdays. Let us see what happens. Click on fill, click on series, and here we choose weekday. OK, now on weekday there is 6 and 7 date, sorry 5 and 6 date, therefore after 4 there is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12 and 13 has a Saturday and Sunday, therefore these date are omitted. OK, like this you can use a date in fill option. If you check here, you have an option of year also, month also. You can easily try these options. OK, suppose here I put 5, enter, and here suppose I write 10. OK, let us select these two cells, let us select this range, click on fill, click on series, and here use growth and trends. Click OK. Let us see what happens. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 20 40, like this. Further values are arranged. You can also use this option as per the requirement. Okay, this is very simple option. You have to practice it. It is very interesting option. Thank you for watching the video.